welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Parrikar takes oath with 5 other ministers, takes over as CM, announces that petrol prices will be slashed by 2nd April. First cabinet meeting decides to present state budget on 21st March. Mahadev Naik appointed Pro-Tem Speaker Atmaram Nadkarni to take over as AG. Madgaon police crack UAE exchange robbery case, recover gold ornaments worth 1 crore 10 lakh rupees in Solapur. Rahul Kenny wins it for Sarvodaya Royals of last ball in Goa Professional League 3. GC Academy beat Salgaonkar comfortably in other match. And Goa and Madhya Pradesh open campaigns with victories in Mir Iqbal Hussain Trophy. Hosts face tough challenge to maintain West Zone League winning form. And now the news in detail. Manohar Parrikar has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Goa. 5 senior MLAs, Sudin Davlikar, Matani Saldana, Dayanand Mandrekar, Francis D'Souza and Lakshmikant Parsekar have been inducted as cabinet ministers. Parrikar has assured zero tolerance to corruption in the state. He also said that petrol prices will be reduced by 2nd April. Parrikar has assured to implement entire manifesto of the BJP.
हांव मनोहर पर्रीकार देवाचो सुपूत घेता की गोंय राज्याचो मंत्री म्हणून ह्या विचारा खातीर हाडटले अथवा म्हाका कळयल्ली अशी कसली गजाल असो मंत्री म्हणून म्हजी कामां यथायोग्य निभावपा खातीर गरजेचें आसत तितले सोडल्यार हांव खंयच्याच व्यक्तीक अथवा व्यक्तींक प्रत्यक्षपणान अथवा अप्रत्यक्षपणान कळोवचो ना वा तागे लागीं उक्तो करचो ना.
Governor K. Shankar Narayanan administered the oath of office and secrecy in a historic ceremony at Kampal SAG ground. 5 senior MLAs have also been inducted as the cabinet ministers. Sudin Davlikar, Matani Saldana, Dayanand Mandrekar, Francis D'Souza and Lakshmikant Parsekar were administered the oath by the governor on Friday.
व्हडलें भाशण करपाचें ना, फक्त इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता. आमी दिल्ली तुमकां सगळीं आश्वासनां येणाऱ्या काही दिसां भितर आमी अंमलान हाडपाक सुरवात करतली आनी इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की करप्शनाक दीस गव्हर्मेंट वील हॅव झिरो टॉलरन्स. आमच्या युवा शक्तीक हांव एक आयज उतर दिवंक सोदता. येणाऱ्या 2-3 म्हयन्या भितर सरकारच्यो अशे काही पावलां आसतलीं की जातून आमच्या यंग जनरेशनच्या भुरग्यांक गोंय सोडून नोकरे खातीर वणवण भोंवचें पडटा किंवा गोंयान सुद्दां वणवण भोंवचें पडटा, पयशे खावोवचे पडटाले. हें सगळें इतिहास जमा जाता इतलें तुमकां हांव आश्वासन दिता. कोणें म्हाका विचारलें पेट्रोल सवाय जालें काय म्हणून. 2 एप्रील पर्यंत, 1 एप्रील न्हय, 2 एप्रील पर्यंत वाट पळया, पेट्रोल सवाय जातलें. जाणट्यांक पेन्शन दोबरात जातलें. अनेक गोष्टी सुदारपाक लागतल्यो.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The new cabinet decided to present state budget on 21st March. Assembly session will start on 19th. Mahadev Naik has been appointed as the Pro-Tem Speaker, Atmaram Nadkarni as Advocate General. Parrikar has assured that Assembly will run for at least 40 to 45 days. Sources say that Parrikar intends to keep mining and TCP portfolio with him along with home, finance and education.
Issue number 1, complete review of security of VIPs with a basic direction that unnecessary security burden should not be taken by the state. That is reduction in VIP securities, including the existing current minister and chief minister. We don't need the kind of security last cabinet was enjoying. Town and Country Planning Department has been asked to put their position on Regional Plan 2021 so that cabinet can go ahead and take decision based on it. Legal status as well as status of every taluka. It is only after that the decision, final decision will be taken. Third issue is plastic garbage across the state. PWD has been told to identify method they are going to use to dispose of plastic waste which is thrown around the roadside. There are two decisions which are of very small consequence. One is appointment of Advocate General for the state. Mr. Atmaram Natkarni has been confirmed in the cabinet. The second is some minor reshuffle in the various personal staff of the minister. There is slight upgradation. Supervisors, office supervisor असेल त्याकडे under secretary गेला आणि एक दोन staff वाढवल्या. All corporate directions have been issued by Tuesday. All corporations should be free of parasites. In fact, as I promised, one resignation has already come from Kala Academy. We have accepted it. I have directed Director Art and Culture to take over charge till alternative arrangement is made. बालभवनाची अजून येऊन ना त्यामुळे हांवें सगळे तांकां रिपोर्ट घाल म्हणला मंगळार पर्यंत की कोण कोण खंय आसा कितें पोजिशन आहा तें. It will be action will be taken cumulatively based on the statutory positions. Huge outstandings have been created by PWD in plan and non-plan areas without actual availability of funds, so we have asked for full details on it. Malaria workeraची file घाल म्हणलें हांकां. But it may still take 1 or 2 months to clear it because there are some RR problems, but I will clear them. We are preparing full budget, but we will go for vote of account for 3 months and then 3 or 4 months and then come back. We are not passing the full budget. We are preparing the full budget. But I will assure you one thing, we will have at least 45 days per year of assembly, 40 to 45 days.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.